Jane Campbell. I'm with Keller Realty. I've been in real estate since 2003 in the Nashville, Tennessee area. Number one, starting with your agent. Making sure your agent has experience and does virtual tours. Secondly, making sure that you're working with a home stager who will help you get your home shown in its best light. 3, having a fantastic professional photographer or someone who will take a standout virtual tour of your property. 4, sharing as much information about the area, the neighborhood, and your home as you can with your agent so they can pass that along in the virtual tour. And 5, being as truthful as you can with the condition of your property so you are matching your home with the appropriate buyer. Make a list of all questions that you might have, and then when you connect with your agent, they then and do the FaceTime tour within the home, you can then talk through those items and answer any questions, and they can also then, your agent can go and ask the listing agent any additional questions that they may have. Virtual tours were used tremendously before the pandemic, but the virtual tour is definitely evolving and pushing us realtors into much more higher technology and use of technology in this time right now. Oh, absolutely. And as I'm using them more, changing how I use them, and I can't even imagine what people will do. People get very creative on what this will look like in 6 months from now. So yes, sellers are having their homes staged right now, and it is still very important because it is the buyers who make the decisions of what homes they have an interest in, and how the homes look is extremely important, even in today's environment. Buyers make decisions on whether they're going to even continue looking at photos on how the home looks. So yes, staging is extremely important. Well, the top 3 things are: number 1, connecting with a real estate professional who is patient and willing to educate you on the whole buying process. And number 2 is connecting with a mortgage professional that will help you understand your financing options. And number 3 is to follow their advice.